Good day everyone. Today we are going to present about problem-based task. My group members are Priyadarshini Ilangovan, myself, Tarshni Parthiban and Karen Sylvia Simon. Introduction. MyIT.com Sendirian Berhad is an IT company located in Georgetown, Pulau Pinang. The company consists of 6 different departments located in a commercial area, building shared with other organizations. In the past few months, the company has experienced several security issues such as information leakage between costs. Staff are able to access and view confidential information of other departments, sensitive and confidential business information, network connection, and latest hardware and operating system. The organization asked IT support team to come out with a proposal that includes solution to solve all the problem. The solution chosen by the IT team will ensure all the problem can be solved. The solution for the second problem should be able to set up and create the best password. The second solution would be troubleshooting and data backup. Solution for the last problem is data patch. Information security policy established in the organization is crucial in reducing information security risks. Objective of proposal. Identify the problem that faced by MyIT.com Sendirian Berhad, establish the related probable cause, improve the security of the current network and information, to solve all the security issues which faced by MyIT.com Sendirian Berhad, to protect sensitive and confidential information from unauthorized user while maintaining access for authorized user, establish a secure environment for data exchange between the departments, to ensure a safe network with a highest security protection, provide a system with a reliable confidentiality and data integrity, create a system with a data availability. Content. What is troubleshoot? Troubleshooting is a method of determining the source of computer problem and resolving the underlying hardware and software issues. The process of troubleshooting is comparable to that of problem solution. We have a total of 6 steps in our troubleshooting method. First, identify the problem. Second, establish a theory of probability cause. Third, test your theories to determine the cause of a problem. Fourth, establish a plan of action to resolve the problem and implement the solution. Fifth, verify full functionality and if applicable, implement preventive measure. Sixth, document your finding, action and outcome. Probable cause of the security issues experienced by Scenario 1. Information leakage between departments caused staff are able to access and view confidential information to another department. The most likely cause. Internal threats may be the result of lack of access, allowing attackers to get exterior access without gaining unlawful access to corporate data. The main aspect is to access control in determining which users are authorized to alter, read, add and delete data. Unauthorized user will be able to access confidential material from other departments due to the lack of access restriction. Possibly a member of company's IT team is with malicious intention and knowledge of the system's access control modify the access control to make money. He or she sells the company's secret. Also, instead of providing username, password, file and folder permission policies and procedure, the company must provide all employees with their password to access confidential information. This allows the users to create their own password and username, which may be weak and easily cracked or hacked. Steps and configuration and suggestion on possible solution. Password security. Password security turns out to be extremely effortless to hack with a single factor authentication. To ensure that passwords are not compromised, good password regulation must be implemented. You should guarantee that passwords used to manage access to personal information are both safe and changed on a regular basis. For instance, complex passwords are required and password must be changed on a frequent basis. The security of requiring complicated password is threatened because they can be easily guessed. A password should not be easy to guess or a word found in a dictionary. Hackers typically attempt to crack password by checking every word in the dictionary. Many organizations make the mistake of using easy to guess password, which you should avoid if you want to keep your personal information safe. A decent password contains at least 8 characters as well as an uppercase letter or a special character. Change password on a frequent basis. User must change their password on a regular basis. Every 60 to 90 days, employees should change their password so that no one guess it or try to get access to it. Collect spare keys. Effective key management is critical to safeguard the safety of the organization's property, asset, and employee. It all starts with figuring out what keys you have, where they go, and who have access to them. All keys All key requests should be made in writing and approved so that your key record can be audited. Because we know that the employee obtained key have departed, retired, or relocated to another organization, this record should be shared with your organization's human resource department as well. The procedure for reporting lost and stolen keys should be included in the key control policy. Furthermore, we must urge staff to report these problems as soon as possible, as well as incorporate a procedure for updating a key insurance record. This easy starting action can help a business building a strong key management program to reduce potential hazard. Budget plan for each solution. First, budget plan for the first issue. We can use antivirus software to protect our information from being hacked by hacker. It can detect and remove viruses and other kind of malicious software from the PC. Bitdefender is one of the best antivirus software. Why we chose it? It won the Anti-Malware Technology Award for the endpoint security solution. It also won an award which is the best efficiency and performance. It has maintained the highest ranking for 5 years in an A/B test and A/B comparative. It is easy to be used and flexible. It has 100% scanning virus detection rate. It came with layered architecture and advanced machine learning. Its firewall can ensure that the endpoint is protected by fully functional two-way firewall. Further information. Antivirus Plus. If you want basic protection and virtual private network support on your Windows device, then we recommend getting the Bitdefender Antivirus Plus. It is Bitdefender's cheapest paid antivirus solution. 2. Total Security. The Bitdefender Total Security is great if you want to protect more than 3 to 5 devices. Not to mention that the Total Security can also support Android, iOS, and Mac device in addition to Windows. It is more expensive because it provides security to all types of OS unlike others. Third, Internet Security. It offers everything you get with Bitdefender Antivirus Plus. If you want the additional or parental control features to block inappropriate web page and limit use of games, chat clients, and file sharing programs, then you should get the Bitdefender Internet Security instead. However, we think this is more suitable for parents. Right, price list. Antivirus Plus, 103 ringgit. Total Security, 152 ringgit. Internet Security, 135 ringgit. We also can try using RSA Secure ID hardware tokens. It is a small physical device that we can use to authorize access to a specific network. Further information. Its purpose is to provide an extra security layer by ensuring two-factor authentication. The two-factor authentication is what they know and what they have. What they know refer to the use, name, and the password, while what they have refer to the PIN code on the token. It comes in a pair of convenient model and will display new codes every 60 seconds. Why we chose it? It offers 3 decades of historic performance and reliability. It provides a strong defense against keylogger and those try to gain unauthorized entry to a system. It uses AES 128 algorithm and time synchronization. It undergoes strict physical testing to ensure a high quality product.
Hi sir, good evening. My name is Karen Sylvia. Now I want to present about the scenario 2, which is some sensitive and confidentially business information has been found published on the internet and no action taken to prevent this from recurring in the future. Internal and external information breaches, whether deliberate or unintentional, have resulted in publication of sensitive and secret corporate information on the internet. Staff who participate in phishing scams, such as visiting unauthorized websites, clicking on links in suspect unknown emails, or opening email attachments, pose a significant security risk to their company system and data. To lessen the chance of being scammed, we must ensure that personnel are aware of pitching strategies. Another factor is the use of non-secure tools to share sensitive and personal information. Data leak can be caused by USB, HDD, and even some cloud server connection. Irresponsible employees stealing company information and dis- disseminating it on the internet to make money or drive the firm down. When it's come to the leakage of secret information, it is frequently the company own employees who pose the greatest threat. Next is step and configuration suggestion on possible solution for second problem. The first thing is secure delivery of confidential documents. It is one thing to safely save secret information on your own computer. However, if they need to be transmit, it is critical that is done in a secure manner. Document needs to be delivered. It is a good idea to utilize a deliver service or have someone from your company deliver them. For digital documents that need to be delivered to a third party, utilize a file sharing tools or sent by emails. It is critical to encrypt documents if you use a file sharing program. The next is handle Hopper Manager carefully. Only those personnel with the need to know should have to access confidentially information in a corporation containing confidentially information. The corporation engages its legal position and contribute to the creation of practical in this way. Documents should be maintained look and password protect on hard copies and electronic version. It's important to keep track how much time people spend on their computer. If a legal claim against a departing employee becomes necessary, the observation of activities may be helpful. Next is preventive measures. Mitigate threats from ex-employees by carrying out strength security check both before they hide and after they left. Carry out a security check carry out a security check on all official documents, unofficial documents, and mail of ex-employees at least once a month. After any employees who have access to critical information leave, change their password. Keep a regular check on the outflow of confidentially information from the company. Collect workplace input from employees on a regular basis so that you can nip any employee's dissatisfaction in the bud. Improve internal system and guarantee that your company's human resources and information technology departments work together to safeguard sensitive data. High information security and manage control.
Budget plan for each solution.
Can issue. We can use access control software. It's allowed to access and use company information and resources. The policies ensure that user can properly access company data through an authorization. Here we can use Batch Pass Access Manager. Feature provided. Open architecture hardware platform, single step card issuance and activation, support for PoE and RS485 controllers, Active Directory plugin, campus-wide lockdown, and the last thing is NFC access via mobile device. Why we choose it? Automatic activation and deactivation of credentials. Eliminate credential overflow. Secure non-proprietary hardware. Customize door access group and shadows. Enable log easily. Allow visitors to temporarily enter the door. And the last thing is data can be accessed from anywhere. Besides, we can also use advanced encryption standard. We recommend AES 256. Further information is it involves the use of secret key to cipher and decipher information. The original data can only be relevant with the correct key that allowing it to remain secure from everyone but the authorized parties. It has a key length of 256 bits and it supports the largest bit size. Why we choose it is the most secure encryption method. It is too much to brute force because of 256-bit private key will have 2 power of 256 possible combination. It also received to attack from a supercomputer. Even the US government and its various agents use only 256-bit encryption to protect their top secret, which is why it's also known as military-grade encryption. It will remain unbreakable for future years at least.
Hi everyone, my name is Tarshini Pathaban. So today I would like to explain about the cause of problem 3. So as the problem 3 stated that some of the staffs are having a problem with their network connection and the most of the time their documents cannot be recovered when this problem happens. So let's see what are the causes of this problem. Okay, staff are having a problem with their network connection most of the time, and this probably because of the most of the company uses the copper-based broadband subscription service, which is the network is not secure, that can be easily hacked by others. Therefore, this leads to the poor network connection. Next, sometimes using a same password for the network used by the company staffs and the visitors or the guests can lead to the high network traffic, which can slow down the network performance. Okay. Next, this can be caused by when the lines are damaged or cut during the construction of the project in that area. This is a common issue. Okay. Next is a data server failure is another typical cause of connectivity problems. Okay. Issues with the router could be the possible cause of this issue. Any
failure of these devices can result in a full network failure. Okay, next is operations that depend on the connectivity can be slow if there is not backup or redundant system in place to take over. Okay, sometimes this can be caused by the heavy bandwidth usage. In other instances, it can be caused by the lack of hard drive space. Okay, in other hand, natural disasters such as a flood and lightning storm, tornado, fire is one of the causes that can lead to the massive loss of data and the documents. Now let's see the suggestion and solution for this problem. Okay. Okay, first is move the access point. To fix this problem, simply move closer to the router. If the router is located on the different side of the office, try working from that area and see that it fixes that issue. And if this problem is regularly happens, it is best to relocate the router. Ideally, the router can be placed higher in the office, so away from the other devices that could interfere with its connection and in a central area with no obstacles. Second is implement a wireless security plan. Like increasing the network security is a simple way to boost the internet speed and prevent others from leeching off the internet without authorization. Okay. Next is disabling the network sharing, setting a strong password to safeguard the wireless network routers and installing a firewall to prevent the viruses are just a few solutions for this problem. Okay. Next is the company can set up a separate network for visitors with a different password than the company's staff. The company should secure the network connection so that it cannot be hacked by others. Next is implement the data backup. Company must have a data backup such as like a backup and disaster recovery plan with a backup on the site, as it's common and we know is cloud. With backup in place, any computer or server that experience the performance issue post patch should able to roll back the patches, and this backup are cost and time efficient. See on the budget plan for the third issue. Okay. First is labor. Labor is a human resources needed to meet the requirement of the project for Wi-Fi projects, and typically labor types are Wi-Fi engineers, network engineers, technician and project manager. And next is materials. Material is products or electronics needed for the projects. So for Wi-Fi projects, typically materials are the access points and switches, controllers and software subscription license and warranties. Next is service. Service and installation will be required cables and access point to be installed throughout the facilities. Other network equipment is also needed to be installed to be complete the network setup. Next is also services after the installation. The engineer perform additional surveys to verify the network is working properly. Next is software. Software is the same design software can be used to verify the Wi-Fi has been installed properly and meets the project requirements. And the hardware is uses the uninterruptible power supply, which is UPS. Through UPS, any loss of power will immediately transfer to the battery supply without any noticeable interruption from the user. And this is the budget for the uninterruptible power supply, which is UPS is 46,600 ringgit.
Scenario 4. Some departments are not providing with the latest hardware, therefore they might not have the latest update on their operating system version. The most likely cause. This problem happens regularly on some departments. Insufficient hardware is the source of the issue. New operating systems necessitate more powerful hardware than previous version. A system that ran the old operating system fine may run the new one very slowly or not at all. So check the hardware requirement before proceeding with the update. Secondly, cause of this issue might be the application incompatibilities. Another common issue that arises while upgrading an operating system is the inavailability to run certain apps. This is because you can get an uncooperative application to work by running it in compatible mode. Suggestion and solution. Implement a faster processor. To solve this problem, you may require a faster processor and a RAM is almost required. Increase the amount of RAM in your computer. You will probably have to make do with what came in the box if you have a convertible and detachable laptop. Although certain business and gaming laptops allow for RAM expansion, doing so can be difficult. It's easier and less expensive to add extra RAM to desktop computer. In about an hour, anyone with rudimentary understanding of guards of a desktop tower can install more RAM. Can get RAM added in device by inviting a professional technician. If you're concerned about compromising your system or doing it wrong, getting advice from someone who understands what they are doing can put your mind at ease and make adding more memory. Patches. Another option would be patches. A patch is a series of modifications to a computer program or its supporting data that are intended to update, correct, or improve it. This involves addressing security flaws and other defects, and such updates are sometimes referred to as bug fixes or bug fixes. Patches are frequently made to improve a program functionality, usability, or performance. For operating system and application upgrades, the bulk of patches are given software providers. Patches are installed by human programmers using an editing tools or debugger or by program under program control. They can be used on software files stored on hardware drive or in computer memory. Patches can be permanent or temporary. Budget plan for the fourth issue. Labor. Manpower to fix processor. Typical labor types are IT engineers, hardware technician. Materials. Product or electronics needed for the company. For hardware devices, typical material are access point, switches, processor, wires, software subscription, license and warranties.
The conclusion for our proposal is like while the network security is important for many computers, internet access, email, and the web which are now important for doing companies and face a lot of risk to the company systems and the privacy of company data. And without the effective network defense and the disaster recovery strategy, a company can always at the risk. And to identify and deal with this ever-growing threat, defense requires frequent update products and well-defined outbreak response plan. Finally, we must always update our software to the most recent version, and the company must continue to do so and avoid the repeating the same issue. Next is like to the concept was remove with the enough money and the correct tool to avoid the future security issues. And maintaining the company's data is important because it can impact the user experience and the reputations. And to secure the company data from the malicious attack, personnel should be installed appropriate devices and software application as recommended. And in addition, the company should encrypt its data to protect against the harmful third-party intruders. And to summarize this conclusion, if the company continues to the digital change utilizing more digital assets, services and big data, they must also responsible for daily data monitoring and the protection. All the companies must take concern when comes to protecting their data and the information. And this is all this from our proposal, and thank you from our team and